Tommy, we've arrived. This is it, man. It's a big day. You good?
Good. I'm good.
Okay. I look good? Like a pro? I look great. What am I talking about? Where's the... Tommy, don't leave the case on the floor, man. We don't even know what's in it. Hey. Tommy, you seem very tense. Look at me. Would you like a massage? No? We'll do it later. Man, we got this, all right? Nice and smooth. We go in, we trade the cases, and we fuck off. Home for dinner. Okay?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah, this was a good call. If anything happens, I'll put the whole place out. Nice and quiet. No collateral damage. Not much, anyways. But nothing is gonna go wrong. It's all gonna be, you know, plain sailing.
Great spot. This will do nicely. Tommy! It's been a while. Lee. 5 years and still working my Vic, huh? I respect that.
Hey, I'm Max.
We know who you are, pal.
Okay.
Hey, what the fuck is going on? Lee's doing his job, Tommy.
But hang on, you're gonna search us? Because no guns, that was our idea.
That is precisely why Lee is here, as you're still not familiar with the old protocols, are you? I hope your hands are clean, Tommy boy.
Definitely no weapons here.
You ready for this? You're in a rush.
We're eager.
One second. I know this place. Ah, I know this place. Korean restaurant, right? Do you know I ain't been here for like 10 years or something? Used to be owned by, someone on there. Right, let's get the business chance. The money. Sorry, gentlemen, manners, eh? Counting the stacks is for accountants, not associates. My word is my bond, you know that, Tommy.
With respect, we're still gonna have to count it.
And before that, I have a concern. We become aware of a move against us. A rumor or a parasite eating us from inside and feeding information to other gangs about our operations. Now, the funny thing with this whole rat situation is that it coincides perfectly from when you first started working for Vic.
Are you serious? No, Victor trusts us. That's why we're here. We are clean. We came with no guns. What more do you want? Tell you what,
Look in the case. You see what we're about. I worked fucking hard for this deal. Regardless of whether you trust us anyway. We're doing this for Victor. He's the one that sent us to you.
Yeah. Sure did.
Can I get you guys some drinks?
Oh, yeah, 4 beers, please, darling.
Maybe more. For the boys. Outside.
I'm sorry, I thought we agreed it was just us.
It is just us. Well, as long as everything goes as expected, of course. So Tommy, you two have known each other quite a while, eh? You trust him?
Yeah, I trust him. Came up the ranks together.
Up the ranks, huh? Good, good. Well, you know I've been in this game a lot longer than you two. And over time, it develops the senses, you know? Max, open the case.
What?
Open the case, Max. Open the fucking case!
Okay. Okay.
I don't understand. I thought we were here to do a deal.
We are. You are the deal. You fucking parasite!
Wait, no. I'm not the fucking rat.
Tommy, be a good boy and don't interfere. Take the case, fuck off. Tell Vic I said thanks for the gift.
Tommy. Tommy. Tommy!
You motherfucker.
I'm not the fucking rat!
Max. Stop. Tommy, I swear to God, I'm not the rat. I know.
You.
Tommy, you piece of shit.
Shut the fuck up.
How could you do this to me? Why would you?
For her. Max, you could put an end to this right now. Take the money and leave. You can start a new life. You're not built for this.
I worked so hard to get to this point. You know how much this means to me, and you've just fucking ruined it. You fucking ruined it. What, for a woman?
Brother.
Shut the fuck up. You used me, you just dragged me into all this. Fuck, man, we're all dead. Do you think Victor's just gonna let us walk away from this?
You get me out of this alive, Max. I'll put a word in for you, mate. Huh? He lies to you, Max. He lies again and again and again. Think about your family, Max. You can't go back from this, pal.
Max. Don't.
We're in on this as well, huh?
My father wouldn't pay your protection fee, so they could send me to school. He wouldn't bow to you. And you...
Ah!